Okay, welcome to the part 2 of the how to use the STH. Now, in this video, I'm combining spike load and STH together. Both of them have their use. Now, you can use both individually. You can use them the same. Okay, you can use both individually, or you can use them at the same time. How does it really work? Now, let me explain. Now, remember the spike load upgraded normally tells you of a coming spike. Okay, that's catching spike before it happens. This is 15 minutes time frame. Let's go to 5 minutes time frame. Remember that. Okay, so when the spike law, remember also that we're also dealing with uh signals that are above the band, okay, not below. Okay, good. So when the spike law alerts you, like this one now telling you spike is coming, oh, so all you do is wait for that spike. You don't trade this spike loss. Spike loss only tells you get ready for the coming spike, and then that spike comes in as a breakthrough candle. Then STH goes into play. So you can see how both of them work. Spike loss tells you get ready, a spike is coming above the band there, and when the spike comes, that spike becomes the breakthrough candle. Okay, and then and you enter the trade and STH comes into play. Now you can see where you enter from here. It pulled you back a little. It didn't cross. It didn't cross, but it began to spike down. It crossed here and you close your trade. So you have the whole of that trend. Look at this one above. The spike came. Any spike you see that comes as a breakthrough candle and went straight to the lower band as a one single long spike, don't bother trading that signal. You understand me? Don't bother. Now look at this one again. Spike Lord came and said, get ready for the spike. And then the breakthrough candle appeared. You entered from here, pulled you back a little. It didn't cross, rather it began to spike down. You can see STH is playing. You keep holding your trade until it crosses. Then you can close. Now look at this one again. Breakthrough candle, you entered from here. It didn't pull you back, but it began to spike again. You don't close that trade until it crosses. You close here. Look at this one here above. Breakthrough candle came in. You entered, you caught this spike one, you caught the second one, it went up and you crossed that line and you close your trade. This crash 1000. So you can see how both of them work. Signal above the band. Spike law 2 can give you that signal. Get ready for the spike. Breakthrough candle comes in, you enter, and it began to take you down. You cross, you close, just like that. Okay, look at this one. Look at what I was telling you here. The breakthrough candle that comes from up straight down to lower band, just forget about it using STH. Don't forget, don't bother about that anymore. So you can see how spike load works with STH. Spike load informs you ahead and STH takes over from there. Okay, that is just it. Now look at this particular signal here from spike load. This one here, the breakthrough candle came up here and you entered and began to pull you down in profit all through. You don't close until it crosses the STH back again. That's when you close. Look at this one. Spike law tells you get ready for a breakthrough outside, not inside. Okay, remember, breakthrough candle came up here, you entered from here, took you down, down, you came up here and you close. You see? So don't bother about trading this one. This is not outside the band. This is inside. Even though it gave you the profit, you focus on signals outside. Okay? So that's how it works using both indicators together. Very simple, easy going. Okay, let me just let me move this a little. Okay, you can see this. Okay, let me just take this off. All right, good. You can see clearly. Now there are 4 movements here. This is the first one here. The breakthrough candle came up, you enter from here, it pulled you back and you crosses and you close. Breakthrough candle came up again, you enter from here, began to spike down. It didn't cross here, rather it began to spike down. This way it crossed, so this way it closed. You can see that outside the band. Breakthrough candle came up and you enter from here. You can see from here, spiked again, went again, cross, you close, breakthrough candle again, you entered, spike down again, breakthrough candle again, you entered, spike down, spike down, spike down, and then you close there. Now look at this one, breakthrough candle ended up here. So you just enter and you cut this spike. You don't close until it crosses, you cross this spike again, and then it crosses for till that particular place there. Look at this one here. Look at this particular one here. You can see this one very straight and fast. Breakthrough candle straight up, you enter from here, you spike one again, you spike down again, and cross here, and you close. End of story. These two powerful spike detector is awesome. I don't joke with them. They work like hell and crazy. Even if they are not 100%, you understand me? They can deliver. Look at this. Outside. Outside. Remember, breakthrough candle, you enter from here, you leave your trade running, spiking down, and you cross here, you close. So that is it, guys. That is it. It's very easy to use. Okay, you don't have to sweat yourself or so. All you have to do is wait. Okay, normally, excuse me, using 15 minutes is ideal if you have the time to wait. You understand me? If you have the time, you can use 15 minutes, 5 minutes, even 30 minutes. Look at it. Let me show you. Look at it here. If you have the time, or if you have the time, you can just wait for the signal. Once it starts moving, you go and do something else. Just come and be monitoring your trade. Look at this one here for 30 minutes. STH and spike lot gave a signal here, and there was a breakthrough candle up to somewhere here. Remember, this 30 minutes candle didn't just come once. Okay, so it was coming small. When it broke through, then you now enter, began to spike down, drew back a little, and began to spike down again, crosses, and you close for 30 minutes. You understand me? Remember, the drawback is more how breakthrough candle crosses here, next 30 minutes candle, draw you back for 30 minutes and began to spike down again, 30 minutes until it came back to cross again. You can see. So you better use lower time frame, like 5 minutes. Okay, that you can afford to wait for it. You understand what I'm trying to say? So it's very simple to use, no sweating, no struggling. You understand me? And again, remember, market conditions are different for every day. Also remember, you have to take, if you want to use spike clock with it, you have to take the spike clock signal that are above the band. Always remember that. Okay, always remember that. You can use them separately, you can use them together. All right, no problem. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the other side. I'll post more videos for you guys, more educating videos for you to really learn. Okay, remember, those who have not enrolled, register for my boom and crash course. Register for the goat course, register for the first leg course. These courses will change your trading experience. I'm telling you, it will trade your trading. Even my B and C trend magnet. Wow, awesome. B and C trend magnet. So you can see right here, this is the big boom and crash 101 course. You have complete 30 videos as a beginner course, and you have all my profitable tools. All my profitable tools, you are going to get it automatically once you register, and the videos that you have and you get also for it. Okay, this is what you get. You know what I'm saying? So this is it, and this is the advanced gold mining strategy, the best of the best for all forex market, works on all forex markets. We can see that now. 7 series video course. Register now. Advanced gold mining strategy. You can use this strategy for boom and crash, volatility, step index, currency, Nasdaq, gold, any market. Is awesome. Register and learn. That's where the power is. That's where the secret is. Once you have it with you, once you know and understand, it stays with you for life. They should wake you up from sleep, you know what you're doing. Okay, understand this, get the knowledge. Even if you have the knowledge, then you can start to small. That is when $10 is sweet. When you have knowledge. We have no knowledge, you want to use $10 to start, is not possible. Go for knowledge first. That is the first tool, the first confidence. Before you get other tools, then you can use $10, $15 to start. With that knowledge, you can grow it. All right, guys, thank you very much, and please don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful time. See you in my next video.